kisses. You will need off-white and red gel polish, top coat, thin liner brush. Apply your first layer thin and evenly. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If needed, apply a second layer. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start with a small C. Make it a little thicker. Apply a dot in the middle and two on the end, and two above the other three. A bit more to the middle. Connect the dots and colorize. You could make some small adjustments. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Repeat the previous steps. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super cute for Valentine's Day.